Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 31 how to add your social media links to a video description on YouTube on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to the left hand side navigation bar, go to content, go to a video you wish to edit. I'll just click on date and go to the first ever video that was posted to this YouTube channel, how to use a Mac for beginners. Go to details, edit, and now we will be re-editing the description and insert the required social media links, emails. Go to the file that contains, or you can physically start from scratch, add the social media links to your YouTube video description. I'll just click on the document that I created to save time. I have the social media links, the GitHub pages, and the email addresses. Highlight, copy, go to description, and now paste. And I will be doing this for all the videos that have already been posted to my channel and the new videos that I will be posting. Click save. Copy the video link. Quit Safari for the moment. Go to Launchpad, Google Chrome. Click on the video itself. Go to the description box, show more. And now we have the social media links, GitHub accounts, contact via email, and the copyright of computer science videos. So we can quit Google Chrome. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.